Okay, so you're looking right now how and where you can enable the two-factor authentication for Black Ops 6. So first go to your settings on the top right corner, and then you have several options. We want to go to account and network, and now we have different main categories, but we want to stay on online. And now the third option is already two-factor authentication. Click on it, and now you have to enroll and sign in, and then you get on security tab the option to select a two-factor authentication. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.